Heating and air conditioning, HVAC, namely gas furnace applications for primarily residential use or uses. A pressure switch in regards is a thing that when the draft inducer motor pulls, it pulls a negative vacuum. It kind of sucks through here, sucks through there, closes this. This is actually kind of a slash manual slash electronic relay too, so difficult to say, but you can see where the two prongs go, where the electrical go here. So it's in the sequence of operations, when one hears heating and air conditioning people or plumbers or whoever, just in HVAC terms, when they're saying sequence of operations, that's nothing but a fancy nomenclature for steps. Step 1, 2, 3, 4. So technically speaking, if you have a sequence of operations, perhaps you may not be able to go from step 1 to step 4 to step 5. You may have to go to step 1, step 2, step 3, step 3. It would be like climbing a set of stairs. You climb one stair at a time, generally speaking. So, question is, if we have a bad pressure switch, how is one way to test to see if the pressure switch is bad? Well, you can do it with an ohm meter, voltmeter, whatnot, something along the lines of this. However, there's a quick way. There are two wires. If one notices that, takes note, there may be two wires here that go in here. So one could actually just unplug the wires, take a fuse and jumper the wires to see if it works. And if it works, then that means you're making continuity. The electricity's got a full path to flow as long as the fuse is good. If the fuse is burned out, it's all in vain. So keep in mind. So one could just unplug these. Say unplug them from the two prongs here. Put this in. Now, one caveat, do not leave this in permanently. Do this as, if you do it, in my opinion, just do this as a quick test. Do not do this as a permanent solution, because you want to do this maybe for a minute or two just to see if the system's working, or perhaps just a few minutes, in my opinion. And but it's just a test to see. Basically what you're doing is bypassing the pressure switch. So if the pressure switch is bypassed and everything else comes on and works accordingly, then you've isolated that the pressure switch needs to be changed and it's a bad pressure switch. So you could just unplug this, but once you do the test, after, if it works or doesn't work, unplug this and plug it back in to your pressure switch. So, but just a quick test to isolate if the pressure switch is bad. Thank you for watching and have a great day.